details tonight about those two former Milwaukee County prosecutors now charged and accused of a cover-up. The I-Team's Courtney Garish on where this case goes from here.
Anthony Apollo and Christian Schrank are both charged with misconduct in public office. Schrank reportedly dismissed a case filed against a man accused of injuring a Fox Point officer. An investigator with the DA's office says there's no evidence to support the reasons why Schrank said she did not pursue that case.
According to this warrant, Fox Point police officers responded to a report of a drunk driver last July. When the suspect resisted arrest, an officer took him to the ground. The suspect was injured, and according to the warrant, so was the officer. Because the suspect refused a sobriety test, one of the responding officers contacted the on-call prosecutor for advice on how to proceed. Former prosecutor Christian Schrank was supposed to answer the phone. According to the criminal complaint, she asked Anthony Apollo to cover for her, even though Apollo was no longer employed by the DA's office. The criminal complaint says Apollo answered the phone and claimed to be an intern. He then advised the officer on the case. A few days later, Schrank dismissed the obstructing an officer case with no explanation. According to the DA's investigator, Schrank sent a text to Apollo after that court hearing saying, "It's dismissed. It's going to come out and look like I did it, lied, and got rid of a criminal case to cover my own blank." When a captain with the Fox Point Police Department questioned why the charge was dropped, Schrank's case notes indicated the officer used excessive force and was not giving lawful commands, claims the DA's inspector calls unsubstantiated.
We reached out to the DA's office about the criminal case that was dropped. It's now being re-reviewed for the same charges. We were also told there was an internal investigation into Schrank's other cases and, quote, no further action is necessary at this point. Schrank resigned from the DA's office in October. Courtney Garish, today's TMJ4.